Good morning, it's Saturday and I'm here at Habitat. Yes, very early in the morning. I actually got really bored of walking. Do you like to walk? I don't. Anyways, I am here to try something new. It's called flying. Yes, I am going to be flying on the zip line.
So again, welcome to the Habitat. My name is Lo. I'll be your nature guide for today. So later I'll take you on the way for about 1.6 km. We'll go to our canopy bridge, our treetop walk, and go to our giant swing as well. So along the way also there are some cool things that they can see, they can experience.
There's activities for the kids as well.
If you go with a guided tour, when you take them along the way, we try to show them something that they will like.
Alright, so we have actually arrived at the Habitat and we are going on a guided tour. So yes, it is children friendly. Let's see what happens. Let's go.
Last time this kind of flower, if they find someone chop too much, they'll put this flower into their mouth. So the tongue and the throat will swell. So we don't want that to happen, right? So make sure don't simply touch the plants.
Ball!
Nice. You want to try?
It's a
Come.
ball.
Take a smell. How does it smell?
Nice.
Nice, right? Understory, which is the tree trunk area.
其实我跟你们讲啊，如果我有手套是吗？我一定会戴手套。然后你知道为什么我这样穿吗？因为我怕。
你怕什么？
我怕虫，你怕那个飞来飞去有什么东西，我其实很怕。所以你嘛就是这样哦。So now we're going to take a walk on Lango Way. It's the world longest two-span stress ribbon bridge. Let's go.
I'm going to show you the tallest spot in Penang Island. Check it out. See?
Now we are standing 800 meters above sea level. You can
Stop
see
saying it.
both the city and the nature side.
So we are 800 meters above sea level. It's really beautiful here. Georgetown is there. That's the Straits of Malacca. Beautiful. I've got the city on my right, the sea on my left. But it's hot. It's about 10:48 a.m. in the morning. The sun is shining very brightly. Hi! Excited! Are you excited? Hi, Vegas! Hi, Daddy!
Hi!
Ready?
Hi, James!
Hello, going to fly.
So it was Vegas' first zip line. He wasn't scared, but I was actually very afraid, very concerned of his safety because it's his first time and the zip line and all. So actually it was really okay. The guides, excellent. Safety measurement, excellent. He really enjoyed himself. So now we're going for the second line. This one you have to go alone.
He's so cute.
Whoa! Is it fun?
He wanted to cry. His face was like, I was so scared. He wanted to cry just now.
We completed the, how many are? 5? I think 5. Nice. Very cheeky lah. I think the most scary thing is because Vegas is playing as well. So I'm more worried about Vegas than the, what do you call it, the slide.
We have just completed the whole tour of Habitat, the guided tours and also the zip lines. I enjoyed myself, I did. I'm not much of a nature person, but I did enjoy myself. The kids were amazing, especially on the zip lines. You saw them because my heart was going pick-pock every time they go on the zip line. I am so proud of them. So please do come here and I will see you in our next video.